southern Hartford County, many reports of flooding, very strong winds, estimated 50 miles an hour. I'll be standing by to take any severe weather reports. K1PAI. Try it again. You were competing with the ID.
Mesocyclone detected. Mesocyclone detected.
Huh. Let's go see what the mesocyclone is. Down there.
Monitoring K1PAI, Hartford County, Scott.
We got 20 knots of rotation here. And we got 30 knots of rotation here. Q2. Check out all the thunderstorm warnings. Sure is numerous. It's all thunderstorm warnings there. Trees and wires down on cars. Fires were reported. Wires down on cars, different
range 15 miles. Low top convection. Elevated convection. Elevated convection.
One RCT, go ahead, Ron.
Yeah, be advised, we do have lightning here in Manchester, heavy downpour.
I'm checking out New Haven County right now. Not hearing anything. The coordinator there has a job. He's probably working. Severe thunderstorm for southern Litchfield County.
Elevated convection.
It's moving east to 45.
Elevated tornado. Level 4. Storm.
Three-quarter inch to 1 inch hail. Let's be able to get under an overhang. KB1JJL, back to you.
That was down in Middletown. Dave, KB1JJL, K1PAI.
And 1 GLA.
QLN to Britain, go ahead.
Corbin Avenue, flooding between Osgood Avenue and Piermont Avenue, approximately 12 to 18 inches across the road.
KB1 QLN, K1 PAI, I acknowledge.
KB1 RMT, K1 PAI.
C Manchester, go ahead.
I did have a power outage of a good 10 seconds. It came back on. Rain is getting heavier and the wind is picking up even more.
KB1 RMT, K1 PAI, thanks, Don.
Low tide. Convection.
W1RCT,
DT Manchester, go ahead.
be advised the water is now approximately 6 inches deep across.
Elevated.
QLN.
QLN to Britain, go ahead.
On Kenyon Street in the Burton, you got a approximately 8 to 10 inch diameter tree snapped in half halfway up the tree. It used to be about a 45-foot tree. It's now about a 20-foot tree. 2 limbs, about 8 to 10 inches in diameter.
The name of the street again? I didn't quite get it.
Kilo, Echo, Yankee, November, Oscar, November.
KE1 and KEYNON Street, K1 PAI.
Elevated. Level 4. Storm.
A1 GYB, East Hartford.
1 KYB, East Hartford, Craig, go.
Thank you, Roger. I've been trying to get in for about 8 minutes now. There was a house struck by lightning here on 31 Olmsted. Oscar, Lima, Mary, Sierra, Tango, Echo, Alpha, David, Olmsted.
I was struck by lightning in East Olmsted, East Hartford on Olmsted Street, 31. Yeah, we didn't hear you, or it was noise. KD1 GYB, K1 PAI.
KB1 KST, handheld South Blizzard.
Elevated. Convection.
K1 KST, Diane, go ahead.
Yeah, Roger, this one's a little late because the rain has stopped here, but I did want to mention that roughly 10, 12 minutes ago, there was knee-sized hail in South Windsor.
Right, okay. Pea-sized hail about 10 minutes ago, South Windsor. KB1 KST, K1 PAI, thank you.
B1 QNT, Ellington.
But I was waiting for the rain to let up and take the dash from the car into the house.
Break with you, KB1 QNT, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm on 286 in Ellington. It's 1 lane, small tree down, services, fire is on site, so everything's good.
Alert threshold exceeded for maximum
Small tree down
PSIs.
in Ellington, fire is there. KB1 QNT, K1 PAI, thank you. And once you see additional,
Convection.
DA Mike, go ahead.
Yes, Ellington, Connecticut, Cornfield Apartments, apartment struck by lightning, services en route.
Understand, Cornfield Apartments struck by lightning, FD responding.
Flooding, or branches down the bridge, and that lightning reported.
Homestead, East Hartford, right in back of the apartment building where I am on Burnside.
EL is 82.5 W1HGD and repeating.
For the questioning that I was saying, Rob.
Attention, there is a thunderstorm.
KD1KI, KD1KIX.
KD1KIX, go ahead, Jonathan.
Yeah, mobile, heading through Newington, I just want to let you know, Mill and Main Street in Cromwell. Mill and Main in Cromwell is, neighborhood's out of power. And there's some sporadic areas of the turnpike where lights are blinking and all that jazz, but commuting should be fun. I just left an area where I had a really good view of the entire central part of the state. There's little fingers of lightness, there's some areas, but it's surrounded by darker clouds again, so I think there's a little bit more to come. Give me one cat.
Rhode Island has, Spartan has put up a severe thunderstorm warning for Kent County, Rhode Island, Tallinn, Connecticut, Windham County, Hartford County, Washington County, Providence County, and that's right next to my house.
La L.
As you can see, they that the thunderstorm warning is right around the house here. We live right here next to this icon is where we are, and you can't see Rhode Island that good. I'll bring it in a little bit better. As you can see, our house is right here, and they've got the warning all around us. It says severe thunderstorm warning for New London County and Middlesex County. It says quarter-size hail, winds in excess of 70 miles per hour, moving east at 35.
Range 50 miles. Elevated convection, low power convection.
Up there.